Hi, friends. So today we're going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze, and it's by Mo Willems. And this is part of his Elephant and Piggy series, and I have all of those books. So if you like the Elephant and Piggy series, let me know, and I'll keep going with this. I already have one request, and that is for David. So I'm going to try to find that. I know I have it somewhere in my house, and I will read that and post it tomorrow. It might be Christmas, David, but that's okay. We can pretend. So this book is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze, and it's by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want a... Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A bat? Choo! Uh-oh. Are you okay? I don't know. Choo! Look at, he sneezed so hard he made Piggy fly away. I cannot stop. Choo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if? What if? What if what? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Uh-oh. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Piggy said. Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. He's gonna sneeze and it's gonna be a big one. Look at Piggy's got a helmet on because he's ready for it. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. See the cat? Gerald's still sniffing away. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! If he sneezes and he's not near Piggy, is it just pigs that make him sneeze? Let's find out. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze, and I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Has anybody ever been excited about being sick? Piggy, great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Who do you think Piggy caught his cold from? Probably Gerald, because he was sneezing all over him. Okay, and that's the end of that one. So look for Gerald, or no. Who am I talking? David. Look for David tomorrow. It might be Christmas David, but it's going to be a David. All right. Stay safe, be well, listen to your parents, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.